This is brought to you by Valet Maids Dallas, your Dallas cleaning service. Use code SAVE30 for $30 off your first home cleaning at valetmaids.com. Remember to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. Dallas has some great hotels. Whether you're looking for a getaway or you live in Dallas and are looking for a weekend staycation, here are the best hotels in Dallas. Number 5, Hotel ZaZa. This uptown hotel is perfect for style-minded people, especially if you want to see and be seen. In fact, many Hollywood A-listers have been known to stay at the hotel and have been seen hanging around the pool. However, this upbeat hotel is probably not the place for you if you just want a quiet, relaxing weekend, as the pool area of the hotel can get a bit rowdy. Each of the hotel's unique concept suites feature themed decor, and the other rooms feature Mediterranean-inspired furnishings. These themed suites are perfect for large groups like a bachelorette party or a girls' weekend. Dragonfly, the hotel's restaurant, overlooks the pool and has innovative cuisine and a dramatic interior. Most guests who stay at Hotel ZaZa love the hotel's aesthetic, service, restaurant, and spa. Number 4, The Jewel. Personally, this is my favorite hotel in Dallas. Set in the heart of downtown, this art-inspired hotel is filled with works of art from brilliant artists including Andy Warhol, and is probably the most beautiful boutique hotel lobby in the city, or maybe anywhere. The building was originally constructed in 1927 as the Dallas National Bank Building, and was later known as the SPG Building. Despite the building's history, the hotel has a contemporary style while maintaining its antique accents. The most stunning architectural feature of the hotel is its 10th floor pool, which jets over the street below and has earned the title from Condé Nast as one of the prettiest hotel pools in the world. The Jewel Hotel is the perfect place to stay to really enjoy downtown Dallas. Number 3, The Crescent. The Crescent Hotel is in the middle of Uptown Dallas and has a hard-to-beat spa and pool. In 2018, the hotel underwent a renovation to add more natural light to the rooms, including floor-to-ceiling windows. If you have kids, here's a bonus tip. The hotel offers babysitting services as part of the kids program. Within the hotel itself are several dining options, including Nobu, Bobash, and the Conservatory. Now, adjacent to the hotel is the Crescent Court, which is a 1.3 million square foot luxury mixed-use development that has dining options including 60 Vines, the Capitol Grill, Moxie's Grill and Bar, and Ascension Coffee. You shouldn't have a problem finding something that fits your palate and your budget. Number 2, The Mansion on Turtle Creek. This glamorous hotel is hidden in the upscale Turtle Creek neighborhood and gives off old Hollywood vibes. It was originally a private estate, and the property was converted to a hotel in 1979. This luxury property is highly awarded, including U.S. News & World Report's Best Hotels, AAA's 4-Diamond Award for the Mansion Restaurant, and AAA's 4-Diamond Award for the hotel itself. The hotel's Mansion Bar features live music on Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays, while having fantastic cocktails and great snacks. To make the hotel even better, it began a redesign in 2019 and continues to impress guests. Number 1, the Ritz-Carlton. With a brand known for luxury, the Ritz-Carlton Dallas delivers just that, and the hotel takes luxury very seriously, including having a resident guacamologist to make the hotel's guacamole. Nothing is left unthought of. The hotel has everything you would want, including feather beds, a chauffeured luxury house car, and one of the best restaurants in Dallas, Fairings. Fairings is a highly awarded restaurant featuring Southwest cuisine by celebrity chef Dean Fearing. The hotel has a 12,000 square foot spa and a saline-treated rooftop pool. This hotel has something for pretty much everyone, and it's easy to see why it won Forbes Travel Guide 5-Star Award in 2020. Okay, there's the list. Keep these hotels in mind for your next staycation or vacation in Dallas. Are there any hotels that should have been on the list, or did I include all of your favorites? Either way, let me know in the comments. Thanks! Remember to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. This is brought to you by Valet Maids Dallas, your Dallas cleaning service. Use code SAVE30 for $30 off your first home cleaning at valetmaids.com.